In this video, we're going to explore the new report generator introduced in version 12 of ShadeDesigner. The new tab is different to previous versions and opens with a blank page. Previously, you could choose between two reports with a fixed set of report pages. The new report generator includes the two default reports but allows you to create your own reports as well as define which pages will be included. The workflow has changed to the selection of a report from the list, then generate the report, and we see a small progress bar, and then the selected report is displayed. We can navigate between the report pages either by scrolling using a mouse wheel or using the page selection arrows on the ribbon bar. We can zoom in and out as before, as well as save the report to a PDF or send it to a printer. The new report editor is where we define which pages will be included in a report and where we create new reports and define their content. To add or remove pages from a report, we select the report, in this case visualization, and using the left-right arrows we can copy pages from the available page templates to the report and remove unwanted pages. In this example, I'll add visualization extra to my report. If I want to change the page order in a report, I would again select the template, then using the up-down arrow, change its position in the report. To create a new report, we click New and provide a new report name. In this example, I'll create a report to send to a client and we'll call it Shipping. I'll add the new Shipping report page and another page called Installation Notes. Click OK and generate the report. The first page shows your company logo here and includes the finished sale dimensions with fabric and corner details, along with the extra notes added in the Supplier settings menu. The second page shows the contents of a text file called installationnotes.txt, which you can create with a normal text editor and save in your ShadeDesigner directory as shown in the instructions. The Supplier settings tool allows you to add your company name and logo, which are used in some of the reports. You can also select a previously created text file which will be shown in other reports. This could be terms and conditions or copyright information, for example, anything you want to provide to your customer along with the sale. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any additional videos, please contact support@MPanel.com.